Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to enable and how to customize the nightlight or eye comfort mode. So maybe let's start with the customization, and after that I'll show you how to fastly turn on and off this option. Let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll to find the display. Here let's find the nightlight, which is almost at the top, and of course you can turn it on just by tapping on this switcher. You can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl then I highly recommend to use this mode, so it will be much easier for you. You can turn it off the same way, however let's leave it turned on. We can tap on the nightlight in order to enter the kind of customization section. So here we've got the how is it called, the switcher, which will allow us to change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left we can make it much cooler. Basically it is almost invisible, and by going to the right, much warmer. We can see really see the difference. Currently we've got this on option turned on, and basically this option is manual, so you have to manually turn on and off this option, or you can pick the timing switch. You can schedule it. You can pick the start and the end time, or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sun sets and sunrises, or it is, I believe, location based. It's up to you. I prefer this on option. So this is the whole customization of this feature, and in order to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to unroll the top bar, and on this left section we have to scroll to find, or actually swipe to find the nightlight. So currently it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and turn it on by tapping on it again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.